simplify 4 times 3m minus 2 and to tell us that it's not the same as 4 into bracket 3m minus 2. This question is not the same as this. 4 times 3m minus 2 refers to this 4 only multiplying 3m, and that will give us 12m minus 2. This 4 doesn't affect this. But in this other case, this 4 multiplies, affects everything that is inside the bracket. So we have 4 times 3, 12m minus 4 times 2, 8. So they are not the same thing. Another question. We bar 4u minus 7u minus 3v, and there's a bar on top. We have earlier said that this bar means bracket. So this question, this is what it looks like. Then we open the bracket. This minus will affect everything that is within the bracket. Gives us 4u minus 7u minus times minus plus 3v. So this will give us what? Minus 7 plus 4. That's minus 3u plus 3v. Either we leave the answer this way, or we come and say 3v minus 3u. The answer can be this way, or we can also collect what's common between the two is 3v minus u. Either this or this. Any of these answers are all correct. So whenever we have a bar on top, it just means that it is into bracket. So we draw the bracket and then we do justice to the rest of the question. With all these examples we are given, I want to believe that algebra is becoming, questions of algebra are becoming rather familiar to us and then easier to tackle. Another question on bar, we have 5d minus e plus 2d, and then there's a bar on top. When there's a bar on top, the bar just signifies that there's a bracket affecting the numbers below the bar. So this means 5d into bracket minus this plus 5d minus bracket e plus 2d. So the minus will multiply everything inside, collect lifetimes 5d minus 2d minus e. That will give us 3d minus e. As simple as that. Five minus 2u, 5 open bracket 2u minus 3v plus 4w, then minus 7u open bracket minus 2v plus 3w. Then we open the bracket. 5 times 2 is 10u minus 15v. 5 times 4 is 20w minus 7 times u, that's minus 7u, minus times minus 7 plus minus 7 minus 2v, that's plus 14v, then minus 7 times plus w, 3w, that's minus 21w. We collect lifetimes. You have 10u, any other u here, minus 7u, then we have minus 15v plus 14v plus 20w minus 21w. 10u minus 7u will give us 3u, minus 15v plus 14v will give us minus v, then we have minus plus 20w minus 21w will give us minus w. This becomes our answer right away. Let's look at a y question. Is 4 into bracket r minus 3x minus 3t close bracket minus 2 open bracket 2r minus 5s minus 4t, close bracket. So we multiply what is within the bracket by what is the number outside bracket. So we have 4r minus 12x minus 12t minus 4r plus 10x plus 8t. We collect like times. 4r minus 4r minus 12x plus 10x minus 12t plus 8t. 4r minus 4r, that's 0, so that will cancel each other. That's 0, that will cancel each other. So that's 0, that's 0. Then minus 12x plus 10x, that's minus 2x, minus 12t plus 8t, that will give us minus 4t. So we either leave our answer this way, or we can say the commonality between these is 2. So we can say minus 2 into bracket x plus 2t. 2 is a commonality here, so bring the 2, you give us x. Then when we take 2 away from 4t, it will give us 2t. So we can give our answer like this, or we give our answer this other way. The questions are the same. And when we open this bracket, it gives us this. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2x plus minus 2x times plus 2t give us minus 4t. Another question involving bar. 6x minus, open bracket, 3 minus x minus 8. Then we'll close bracket and we'll raise the bar on top of the minus, on top of the x minus 8. How do we simplify this? 6x minus, let's put the bracket inside first. Then we expand the bracket inside. Minus x, minus times minus plus. We have something like this. So we can go ahead to simplify what is in the bracket and say 6x minus 3 plus 8, 11 minus x. Then we multiply, we open the bracket, minus 11 plus x. So this will be 6x plus x minus 11. That's 7x minus 11. We can either leave the answer this way, or we come this other side, open this bracket with minus 3 minus x minus 8, and we'll solve. But it's easier to finish what is within the bracket, simplify what is within the bracket, and then go outside what is outside the bracket. Yet another question on bar. 2a minus, open bracket, 4a minus 5a minus 7a. Then you open bracket, there's a bracket on top of minus 5a minus 7. So let's simplify it. 2a minus 4a minus, open bracket, 5a minus 7, close bracket. Then let's do what is 2a minus 4a minus 5a, that's minus a plus 7. And we can open the bracket now. 2a minus times minus is plus a, minus times plus is minus. That will give us 3a minus 7. This will be our answer over here. So algebra, with all these questions we are solving, I want to believe that algebra is becoming familiar, easy. The phobia and the anxiety of mathematics in general is, I want to believe, is reducing. Let's consider the last question here. Rather long. 4x the bracket 3x minus 2y close bracket plus 5y open bracket x plus 3y close bracket minus 7xy. So painstakingly, let's do it one by one. 4x multiplies what is here. We have 12x squared minus 8xy minus 35xy squared minus 4x times 3x 12x squared. We have this plus we have this, and then this one doesn't have any bracket affecting it, so it comes on its own. Then we collect lifetime 12x squared. There's no x squared again, so we leave that. Then we collect lifetimes for xy, factor that has xy. Then we are left with 15y squared. So 12x squared minus 8 plus 5, that's minus 3. Minus 3 minus 7, that will be minus 10xy. Or rather, we can say minus 8xy minus 7, that's minus 15. Minus 15 plus 5, that's minus 10. And then plus 15y squared. This becomes our answer for this question. With all of this algebraic question, I want to believe that you can now practice on your own and you have a mastery of what algebra relating to what we've studied so far is all about. I'll meet you in the next class where we'll delve into more about algebra, groupings in algebra, and then how we can open more brackets in algebra. Thank you for your time. We'd like you to share, subscribe, and then like our teachings and tutorials for those who may need it. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.